Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Life of an Artist and myself, Mesmerizing Through. Smell, order, fragrance. This is all about we're going to talk today in this video. So without wasting any moment, let's begin. So we meet a lot of people throughout the day, so it becomes very important for us to smell good to give a good impact or to give a fantastic impact to your surroundings. Why should anybody use a good perfume or cologne? Today I'll be sharing with you 3 reasons to smell good. When you visit a particular place, may it be your office, your meeting, your date, or in a club, it becomes very important to smell good because that creates a very amazing, positive, and very attractive and confident aura for you. The second reason is connected to the first one. You'll notice if you smell good, your confidence level will boost up from here to here. So number 2 reason to smell good is to look and to feel confident. Guys, third reason is very important. To smell good is your responsibility. Nobody around you should feel uncomfortable by the bad odor coming from you. It becomes your responsibility to smell good, to make people around you feel much more comfortable. So today I will be discussing with you all my perfume that I have been using since a very long time in different budgets. So the first perfume that I have been using since a very long time is Calvin Klein's Intense Euphoria for Men. It's a very super perfume. And it actually smells like amber wood kind of a smell. And this particular perfume you can carry on different occasions, on your interview, meeting, social gathering, clubs, on a date, anywhere. This will go. As far as I am concerned, I sometimes carry it to my live concerts. This is really amazing. So the first perfume that I use is CK Euphoria Intense for Men. Guys, I really want to make sure that none of these perfumes are for the paid promotion. This is actually what I use. So I really want to show you this because I have been using this for a very long time, and you can see the bottle. This is almost finished. It is still here. It was still somewhere here. So this is what I use. The first perfume, Calvin Klein's Euphoria Intense. This will give you some macho confidence. Try this. The next perfume that I have been using since a very long time is Missoni. And I really want to show you guys that I really use these perfumes because this is also half used. If I don't know if you can see this into the camera. So this actually smells like citrus, floral kind of a smell, and this is so very amazing, guys. So this I use I have used this on a couple of casual meetings and most of the time to my gym. It's amazing. You must try this. So the third perfume in my closet you'll find UDV Flash. UDV is an EDT perfume, and this perfume is actually a budgeted perfume. This smells like lavender, or sometimes you can experience the blossom of orange somewhere into it. It's a very amazing perfume, especially for the college going students if they want something very classy in a budget. This is for you, UDV Flash. Guys, the fourth perfume in my closet you will find League of Legends Justice Striker. This perfume is very budget perfume. You can find this in Miniso stores. It was somewhere around 460 rupees if I am right. This is a budgeted but a very amazing perfume. This actually smells like vanilla. It has that essence of smoky vanilla kind of texture, and this is actually a very good budgeted perfume which you can use on different occasions. You can, if you want, if you are going to a pub, club, you're partying, you are going to your friend's place for some casual meeting, or if you're going for interview also. Like, I mean, this can go on several occasions, and of course if you are going for your workout. Guys, if you work out, make sure you use perfumes or deodorants. This is Striker from League of Legends. Try this. A perfume which I really want to mention here, which is finished right now, I don't have that, which is very classy, is Oud. Oud Arabia. Guys, that is a perfume which is very long lasting. If you use it once, you wash your clothes twice, thrice, even then you will feel that smell. So, but it's a little bit expensive. If you really want to try that, if you have that budget, go for Oud. Try it once. It's amazing. So guys, that's pretty much for today. If you have at all liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Maybe somebody can benefit out of it. This is Mesmerizing Rohit. You are watching Life of an Artist, signing off.